Welcome back. Peptides are suddenly everywhere, from wellness podcasts to social media feeds. But what exactly are they, and are they worth the hype? Joining us today is Kylie Pillard, a physician assistant with Next Health Boulder, to help us understand the growing buzz around peptide therapy. Kylie, thanks so much for being here.
Yes, thank you for having me. I'm excited.
I am too, because I really don't know a whole lot about peptides. And for our viewers hearing about peptides for the first time, what exactly are they and how do they work in the body?
Yeah, so peptides definitely feel like they're all the rage recently. People see them all over social media, podcasts. But interesting, peptides are not new. They've been around for a long time. And really what they are is they are short chains of something called amino acids. And so if we think back to like high school biology, amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. And basically how they work is they act as little cell messengers between our cells. So you can think of them as like text messages between our cells. And they regulate a lot of different processes in the body, from our metabolism to our immune health, to weight loss, healing and repair of tissues. But one of the peptides that's actually been around for a long time is insulin. So a lot of people don't know that insulin is a peptide. It's been around for about a century.
Yeah.
And then more recently, popular medications like the GLP-1s are peptides as well. So.
Very interesting. So what do you think is causing them to be so popular right now? You said they've been around for some time now.
Yeah, so I think just the people talking about them more on social media and podcasts, and just with the popularity of GLP-1 medications. But something that I think is really important for people to know is that although, we hear about them a lot online, it's really important to work with a educated healthcare practitioner, preferably someone who is certified in peptide therapy, that can help you navigate this area, because they really should be part of a more personalized healthcare plan.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what it sounds like. How does someone fit this into their overall health or wellness routine? Like, who would be good candidates for something like this?
Yeah, so so for example, at Next Health, what we do is we really tailor it into a very personalized, like individualized treatment plan. So it's going to really depend on the patient's unique medical history, their blood work, their health goals. And so we'll sit down with them. We'll start with comprehensive blood work and a consult, and figure out if peptide therapy is a good option for them, kind of based on their goals and what we're seeing. And then something else that is really important is just to make sure that people aren't using peptides as a quick fix. They really should be used alongside other foundational lifestyle changes like a healthy diet, exercise, sleep. So working with someone that can help tailor them into a specific plan for you.
That totally makes sense to me.
Yeah.
Now, obviously, there's a lot of information online about peptides, and you've given us a lot today as well. Mm-hmm. But what are some of the biggest risks or misconceptions people should know about peptide therapy before they try it?
Yeah, great question, because there is so much information out there. But one of the most important things is, like with any medical therapy, there's always risks and benefits. So having that discussion with an educated healthcare practitioner to review the risks and benefits. And for me, it's not so much the peptides that are the concern, it's more so where people are getting them from. We see a lot of people who are getting peptides online from different websites that are really intended for research purposes only. So they have not been tested necessarily for human use in terms of like safety, contamination, things like that. So again, just really important to work with someone who can help navigate the benefits and the risks as well.
WebMD cannot prescribe these.
Don't get them online. Yeah, make sure you're working with somebody.
Kylie, thank you so very much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.